Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme pantry clean out and organization. I'm going to be showing you how I stored all my foods for easy access, and I'm going to be giving you some ideas on how to make your pantry practical and visually appealing at the same time. Okay guys, so this is what my pantry is looking like. It is honestly hot mess express. There is just stuff thrown everywhere. There's no rhyme or reason to any of this. There's literally still boxes that haven't even been unpacked from when we moved in last year. So we need to get that taken care of and put all of the stuff in the garage that needs to go in there. There's just stuff everywhere and there's no organization to this whatsoever. So let's fix this. Okay, so first things first, let's remove everything from the pantry. Honestly, this took me so long, like way longer than I was expecting, like probably like 30 minutes to an hour because there was just so much stuff in here. So I'm just gonna remove everything super quick and super speed for you guys, and then we will get to cleaning out the rest of it. So whenever you are reorganizing something in your house, like your pantry or your fridge or really just any sort of cabinet or anything in your house, I recommend to take everything out. I know it seems a little bit overwhelming, but take everything out so you know exactly what you have and so you can sort everything out, and that way you can clean off all the shelves and it can be spotless before you put everything in. Okay, so now that everything is cleaned out, this is what she's looking like. She's a little crusty, okay? It's fine. We are going to vacuum out all the crumbs on the bottom and on the shelves, and then we're going to spray it with my handy dandy Miss Myers spray that we love so much. Okay, so let's mop the floors. Don't ask what this is because I have no idea, but it felt so good to get these stains removed from the floors finally. I don't know why our pantry just gets so messy, but I'm just using a steam mop to get everything nice and fresh and clean. This is everything that we just took out of the pantry. Yes, it's a little overwhelming, but there's so much stuff that we just needed to throw out because it was expired or open and stale, and it was just so nice to actually have everything out on the counter so we could see what we needed and what we didn't need. So right now I'm just gonna start putting some things in some organizers and see what works best, and so let's do that right now. organizing all these foods, I'm just using trial and error. I'm just kind of seeing what fits, what doesn't, what works best for our family. But I did know that I wanted my son to have access to all of his snacks super easily, so I made sure to put them in clear bins, in clear containers, so he can just pick out exactly what he needs super easily. So some of these bins are from The Home Edit. I don't know if you guys have seen that show on Netflix, but wow, it's so good. So please go check it out. It's so satisfying. But I just got these organizers from Walmart. They have a super cheap bundle called the Pantry Organizers. They have like different bundles that you can get, but I got one of the Pantry Organizer bundles, and the quality of these acrylic bins are just amazing. So I will be sure to link everything that I'm using down below. Some are from Amazon, some are from Walmart, some are just stuff that I've already had. So I will be sure to link all of these organizers that I'm using in the description box. So if you're interested, then check it out. Okay, so I really wanted a bin for my breads that wasn't clear because it's just a bit of an eyesore. So I made sure I got some bins that could cover that up and just kind of make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. So all of these bins that you see right here, I got from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And I will try to link some down below if I see any similar ones, but definitely go check out your Home Goods and TJ Maxx because they have the best storage containers and storage bins that are also cute for the best price. Okay, so now I'm just kind of playing around with it, moving some things around and seeing what works best, and also keeping in mind what is going to be the most practical for our family. Okay, so we are done. Let me just remind you guys what the pantry was looking like before. She was so messy, so crowded. We literally couldn't even walk in the pantry because it was just, there was stuff everywhere, stuff all over the floor. There was no rhyme or reason to any of it. This is what it's looking like now. I cannot believe this transformation. It feels so good to have everything cleaned out and everything is in its place. I made sure to keep all of Pax's snacks front and center and in clear acrylic bins so he can pick out what he wants super easily. And then these Lazy Susans are a game changer for organizing your pantry. I love to keep all of my cans and all of my sauces on here. And we also kept our drinks, like our alcohol and whatnot, at the top so we could easily access those. And yeah, so I am loving the way this turned out. I love how all of these bins really hid all of the paper towels and everything that I didn't really want to be shown, like the breads and stuff. It just made it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, and I love that. And I love how we can actually see all of our foods. This is really gonna change the game for our family, and I'm loving the way it looks. Let's just see how long it lasts though, because if you have kids, if you know, you know. Okay, and that is it for today's video. If you stuck around, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for coming back every week, and we will see you in a few days in a new video. Bye-bye.